Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Arvind and today we will discuss how to install Django in our system. So in this video, first we will discuss what are the basic requirements to install Django in our system. After that, we will tell how to install Django in our system. In the end, we will discuss the version of Django and we will see how to check if Django is installed in our system or not. So let's get started. And before you are going to start installation of Django, remember one thing: you have to open CMD command prompt on your computer. Follow this step, which I am going to use in this video. So here is my CMD. And remember one thing: the first step is basic requirements to install Django. Means before installing Django, firstly check whether Python is installed on your system or not. For this, I am going to use the command python version. So it is already installed. If you have not installed Python in your system, we have already created a video on how to install Python in your system. Video link is in the description. Please check on it. Now we will create a directory in which you will create your Django project. For this, I will use the command mkdir for creating a directory. The name of the directory is new underscore project. So here new project is the directory name. You can also give a name as per your choice. So now move into the current directory. Use the command cd the directory name new underscore project. Enter it. So as you can see, I am working in a new directory. The name of the directory is new underscore project. So the next step is you have to create a virtual environment. So virtual environment, I will give you the small introduction about the virtual environment. Where virtual environment is isolated, where project dependency be installed without affecting other projects or application. Means suppose you are working in a project, so in the project you are using the Django of version 3.10.3, but you have also worked on a 4.10. So for this, we are going to use a virtual environment in it. So basically, the benefit of creating a virtual environment is that you will create different projects that use different versions of Django. Now, to create a virtual environment, I am going to use the command python -m venv and the virtual environment name, that is my env. So press the enter button. So guys, here my env is the name of the virtual environment. You can also give the name as per your choice. So now it is successfully created virtual environment. Now I will activate the virtual environment. So to activate the virtual environment, the command is my env/scripts/activate the VAT. Enter it. So after using the command, you will see your virtual environment name of the beginning of the prompt. In my case, my env has been activated successfully. Now the environment has been successfully created. Now I am going to use the command for installation of Django. The command is pip install Django. Now I am going to enter this command. So remember one thing, this command will install the latest version of Django, and if you want to install a different version or a specific version of Django, I will show you the command after installing this Django. So guys, Django has been successfully installed in my system. Now I am talking about a specific version of Django. So the command is pip install Django, the version you want to install in your system. If you want to install 3.2, you can mention in it and enter. So as you can see in my screen, it will uninstall the Django latest version 4.2.5 because I have already installed the latest version of Django. So it will remove from my system and install the specific version 3.2. So now installing has been done. Now I want to verify whether Django is being installed in my system or not. For this, the command is Django -admin -version. I have to give the space for it. It is showing the 3.2 version which I have already installed in my system. If you want to upgrade your Django, so the command is pip install Django -upgrade. It's showing that it found the existing installation, that is Django 3.2. Now it will be upgrade. Now it is successfully installed Django 4.2.5 because we have upgraded our Django version. Also, if you want to check by another command whether the Django is being installed or not, you can use the command pip freeze, which version is currently working in our system, Django 4.2.5. So this is all. We have learned how to install Django in our system. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much and have a nice day.